how to fix error 275 in Roblox. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, hover over the game and then you want to press the options button here, and you will first check for update. Once you have checked for update, again you want to press the options button, and this time we are going to select restore license. Okay, so just click on restore and wait for this to finish. Okay, so once we have done this, we will do the very last thing, which is going to be going into settings, then network. Here we're going to click on settings again and set up internet connection. Now you want to find your Wi-Fi, which you are connected to, and press the options button again. Change the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 GHz only, and you want to go into advanced settings. Go and find DNS settings, change it from automatic to manual, and write 1.1.1.1 for the primary DNS, and for the secondary DNS it's going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, click on OK. This is just going to connect you to the internet, and it should fix error 279 in Roblox on PS5. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.